Hello and welcome to this little tour of the Lotus Design. So all of our designs have a similar layout in that they're set up for, I guess, marketing and private practice using best marketing practices. Um, but each one is different in their colors and design and background and graphics. And the layouts will change some in terms of the type of banner used and placement. But let's just take a brief tour of the Lotus Design. The Lotus Design has up top a custom little graphic here, and the whole site was set up as a demo showing what would it look like to market a couples site. But you could easily use this site for a general practitioner, or you could use it for working with adolescents. You could use it as an acupuncturist. Anybody really could use it, and it's easy enough to switch out the text and the titles and images. So this little logo can come with a site, and we can put in your information here as well as your tagline. The whole idea for this design was to keep things small. Oftentimes people will have a huge banner or logo, and they won't, when somebody clicks on their website, they actually won't see much of the content at all, because it's a lot of dead space is taken up with their logo and sometimes huge images. So we really want to keep this space small. We have a simple 6-page layout here, and you can easily add pages to this either in the main menu or a drop down. Let's see, you can have a full banner here, but we decided to put in a lure or an opt-in here, which has been proven to help with turnaround. And the more times that people hear from you, oftentimes it's not the first or second time that they give you a call, but it's more like the third, fourth, fifth, and so on and so forth. So we put in, if you have an ebook or a free thing that you can give away, this integration with MailChimp comes with all of our designs, and which is nice, because otherwise you get a big chunky monkey looking button that says MailChimp on it. This is pretty streamlined. This matches the colors of the site, and it integrates with your MailChimp account, which holds 2,000 contacts for free. And you can also design your email templates to look like this site, and we offer that service as well. We chose to use this banner here on a mobile. You can slide it, and you can also set this to do a fading slideshow. You notice there's text on the bottom here that could be used to describe a specific event or a service, and you can actually click the image to go to that page, and people can slide through them there like that. Here there's a lot of Latin. Obviously you would use your own text, but it just gives you an idea of how you could start your home page. And on all the pages you'll find a readily available phone number and email contact, and this will go to the secure web form on the contact page. And then you don't have to set it up like this, but it's always good to have a testimonial here from Dr. Walter Bishop from Fringe. Looks like he was a client here. Social media share. So this is pretty sweet. Every page has some sort of social media share, where somebody could like it, they can tweet it or share it on, it looks like 337 different social media forms. So this is nice. This gives you free publicity. Other things, little mission statement here. You can have your address and contact information. The site integrates lovely with Twitter, so if you have a Twitter account, your username goes in here, and it basically starts pulling all your feeds, and usually you could pick the top 2 or 3 that keep showing up, and they will link out. And then this is latest blog posts. So there's a blog feature that comes with this and all our designs, and I'll show you that in a bit. But these all link to that to the blog page. And we go to the About page. As you see here, everything is fairly similar here. The whole idea is easy to contact, easy to email, and then this every page has like a flow. So from the About page, from the Welcome to the About, from the About we want to go to the Services page. So you'll notice on every page there's a way to keep people flowing through the site. You want to have lots of take action rather than just give them a page and then they're stuck there. more testimonials. This could also be your latest blogs instead. Social share options, a bunch. And here's where you could put your bio pic and a description about yourself. Usually, more and more, the rule is 80-20%. So 80% is talking about how you're going to help your clients, and the 20% is about yourself. Most people are not interested in reading a big spiel about all you've done and where you've gone, and I think there's a place for that. You know, education and trainings, you could use this to put in there. Your philosophy if you want. So these little things here are called toggles, and they're just a great space saver. If you were to put all this information in here, this page would be really long. So you could use these wherever you like on the site, and they definitely make it like a very clean presentation. You notice in the bottom, all of those things, mission statements and blogs, they could be on here. But just to simplify it, we left them off. But if you wanted to add them, you could. Okay, let's go to services. Services, again, the column with contact information. Take action to go to the next page. Testimonial, social share options, and you know, this particular site was set up for marriage and couples counseling, and you might have a brief paragraph here on your general approach or philosophy of couples therapy, and then there's specific modalities down here. If you are a general practitioner, this might just be your philosophy here or your general approach. You know, perhaps you use a body-centered or a mindfulness-based practice, and then down here could be specific modalities that you use, or they could be, each one of these could be like working with individuals, couples, and family, something like that. And again, once again, more information on those when the user clicks there. We go to info. This is a page that's I think is really it's nice to have readily available, because if you're talking to a client on the phone, you can simply direct them, go to my client info page, and there you'll find all the necessary forms to download. This is easy to do. You can put your own easily into the site. Payment, you could put a PayPal button in here. That's easy to do, and I can help you with that. Location, this will actually link out to a Google map of where you're located, and then a lot of FAQs. So this can help answer questions for clients. They might answer themselves before they talk to you, but it just kind of helps provide more information on rates, sliding scale options, whatever you choose to put here. But these things, once again, are a great space saver. So go to the blog. The blog, this is actually a pretty fantastic blog feature in that it's compatible with Windows Live Writer, which is a third-party program. So some people will use marketers or a company or have contributing bloggers to their site. So the nice thing about this is that it's compatible with Live Writer, which means that a contributing writer could write for them and post the blog without having to have the username and password for the site itself. So which is a potential security risk. So that's a lovely feature. As you see here is a tag cloud, which the ones that are bigger obviously are the ones that are used the most. So people can click on those. They can actually search your blog or look underneath specific categories. Here you'll see the different blogs. There's an excerpt and a photo. You don't have to use photos. Many people don't. But you can here. And then when you click read the rest of the article, you will see the title of the blog. And you could use these things here. You notice the different size titles. These are good for search engine optimization. Your best keywords should go in the larger font headers. And the nice thing about this blog module is it links up with all the major social media options, so you could share away. You can also comment, and you notice here my little picture, using Discus, which is a great social media platform. So people can I'm already logged in, but they can log in as through their Facebook, through their Gmail, through several different options, and they can comment, and they can also edit, reply, or share this way as well. So there's plenty of options here to get the word out. And lastly is the contact page, which is a simple simple form here. It's got a counter on there for how many letters they use, so keep it short and sweet. We have it set up with show social share options and phone number, LinkedIn if you want to put that on there, and a map once again to link out so people can find your address. Lastly, one cool feature about this skin is that it's built on a responsive web skin, which means that if you minimize it, you can actually watch how the skin will adapt to different sizes. So you just saw how it sort of jumped, and even on a smaller screen like a tablet, and then you get into like the phone size, and you can see everything just goes into more of a same plane. So making it mobile user-friendly, tablet user-friendly. If you look at the statistics, the number of users using those tech devices, other than a desktop or laptop, are increasing exponentially. So rather than alienate your clients, it's great to have a website that not only looks beautiful on desktop, but also works well on mobiles and tablets. Okay, thank you so much. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email or give me a call. And I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial.